Today our experiment is to determine the amount of dissolved oxygen present in the water sample. DO is necessary for all aerobic biological treatment process. DO can be determination by the titration using modified Winkler acid method or by electrometric method using membrane electrode. So the amount of dissolved oxygen present in the water sample will give us an idea about the pollution load present in the water sample. So for doing the determination of dissolved oxygen in the water, I have used a BOD bottle. The volume of BOD bottle I have taken here is 300 ml Borosil bottle, and the reagents used here is alkali acid reagent, concentrated sulfuric acid, starch indicator, manganese sulfate, and in the burette I have taken 0.025 normal sodium thiosulfate. While filling the sample in the BOD bottle, care should be taken to avoid adding air into the bottle, because that will alter the actual amount of dissolved oxygen present in our water sample. And we should fill the water so slowly in the BOD bottle so that no extra air is added into the BOD bottle, and we should fit the stopper in the bottle. And to this BOD bottle, we should be adding 2 ml of manganese sulfide followed by 2 ml of alkali acid, such a way that the tip of the pipette we use to fill the BOD bottle should be below the water level. Why? Because no extra air should be introduced into our bottle. We are adding 2 ml of manganese sulfide and we are adding 2 ml of alkali acid reagent. And we are adding it in such a way that tip of our dropper is well inside the water. And we should put the dropper immediately. Once both the reagents have been added, we should mix the content inside the bottle well by inverting the bottle 2-3 times. So now we have added both the manganese sulfate as well as 2 ml of alkali acid reagent. We are mixing it well by putting the stopper and inverting the bottles a couple of times. Now everything have mixed well. We will allow it to settle down for few minutes. So now you can see the precipitate has settled down at the bottom. To this we will add about 2 ml of the concentrated sulfuric acid. We will mix it well till the precipitate goes into a solution. So what we are adding now is concentrated sulfuric acid. We have to mix well, and now we will get a clear solution. We'll allow the solution to stand for 5 minutes. So from this we have to take about 203 ml. We will measure and take 203 ml. We have taken 200 in the measuring cylinder and 3 ml here. So together we will pour it in the conical flask. We will take 203 ml of the sample. Now we will be titrating the sample with 0.025 normal sodium thiosulfate until a pale yellow color is developed. To this we will be adding few drops of starch solution. Starch is our indicator here. We will add 2 to 3 drops of starch indicator. When you add starch indicator, a blue color is developed. If no blue color develops, that indicates that there is no dissolved oxygen present in your sample. So here a dark blue color has been formed. Now we have to again titrate it with sodium thiosulfate till the blue color disappears. So now you can see that the blue color has disappeared. In order to find the amount of dissolved oxygen present in the water sample, after titration we have noted down the reading in the burette. So we have to understand something. Here we have used our titrant as sodium thiosulfate. So here 1 ml of 0.025 normal of sodium thiosulfate is equivalent to 0.2 milligram of oxygen. And here we have taken our volume as 200 ml of the sample. So 1 ml of sodium thiosulfate is equivalent to 0.2 into 1000 divided by 200. 200 is the amount of sample we have taken. 0.2 milligram is 1 ml of 0.025 normal of sodium thiosulfate is equivalent to 0.2 milligram of oxygen. So 0.2 into 1000 divided by 200 milligram per liter is equal to 1 milligram per liter. So whatever is your burette reading you have taken, that will be same as that of your amount of dissolved oxygen present in your water sample. Say suppose you have got 7 milligram per liter is 7 ml as the burette reading, that is same as your amount of dissolved oxygen will be 7 milligram per liter.